guys, what's up? Welcome back. I think last time I talked to you all, actually I haven't even talked to you all. Oh my god. Jeez, what's wrong with me? But I haven't even talked to you all today because I have not been well. I started off this morning like completely motivated of like, yeah, I'm gonna vlog, I'm gonna do a good job at this. I kind of had like a plan as to like what I was gonna do and what I was gonna follow, and then like shit hit the fan, honestly. And I don't know, like, so I mean, I've been very transparent about like my mental health struggles, what I deal with and everything, and I don't know what happened. I really don't know. I just got really down and really sad, and it seemed like everything just came at me all at once. I felt anxious. It was like everything, literally all at once. And I just started literally crying. I got the one thing that was very like present on my mind was the fertility stuff. The fertility stuff is just like, there's no progress in that at all. I would have to lose some weight to get IVF or IUI, and then right now that's just like the holdup. And I've been trying to like eat better, be more mindful of my food, but if I don't like completely restrict myself of like everything, I will just like not lose weight. I'll actually like gain weight. Like that's how bad it is. And I don't know, it's just like really challenging. It's really tough. And this is not like asking any advice on like how I could lose weight, or like I don't need any like anybody like suggesting any ideas or anything, because that's just going to add on to like my stress that I'm already feeling, or like talking about like weight loss surgery or anything like that. Like I'm not looking at that right now. I'm just like talking about what's going on. But today was just like overall just very stressful. I got really down about myself, about like how I feel like maybe I just don't have the will, and how maybe I'm just not going to be a mom. And I just got really upset at myself and frustrated, and kind of like maybe I should just accept it and come to terms with it, which just made me really sad. So I think that's really, at that moment, that's what happened. And Matthew came to the rescue and was just very helping and understanding and encouraging, but it's just still hard. I don't know, it's just such a struggle, you know. But anyways, I don't want to cry, but besides the point, today has just not been, it hasn't really gone as planned. I just literally all I did was work, and then after that, well, I had lunch. I had a salad. Matthew made me a salad, and then this is now after work. So I'm like, I went to lay down for a little bit. It's currently 5:17. I get now off at sorry, kind of like getting emotional, but I get off now at 4, which is like my normal time. But I just chilled for a little bit, figured I deserve that, and then I'm like, oh, let me go record for a little bit. Just, I feel like sometimes talking to you all really helps me, like, mentally, just to, like, let my feelings out, in a way, kind of like a journal. I know it, like, may sound kind of silly, but I could literally sit and talk to a camera, like, all day. Like, I don't know how I can do it sometimes, but I enjoy it. I enjoy talking to you all, and I share exactly what I feel sometimes, and it's just kind of like what goes on. But this is now what I'm doing. I brought out my planner because I already had it on my, I feel like it's scratched back here, on my desk, but I did some pre-planning yesterday for what I want to do with my planner. And I was thinking maybe I can show you all. Like, it may not be a vlog, but I'm not being a good vlogger, you guys. This is like literally one of my goals this year, is I want to be more, first off, consistent with vlogs, and be more intentional about my vlogs. And I want to like actually be better at that. I love just talking to a camera, hanging out with y'all, just having like conversations and stuff. So like I feel like I could be better, but lately just hasn't been the greatest. And Vlogmas is just like honestly, like, it's so many days that you're gonna get these like off days, and for some of us those off days last a lot longer than like a day or two. But anyways, I wanted to show you all my planner. Okay, I just closed down the blinds because it was gonna be a little awkward if like I had the blinds open, but hopefully this is an okay view because I don't want to record on my phone and have to like have footage from my phone and my camera. I'm just making everything as easy as possible for me. But anyways, this is my planner. This is my catch-all planner for 2023. I showed it to you all on my 2023 lineup and I love it so much. I put my name on it. Planner Erica from Instagram. It's planner.erica with a C from Instagram sent me some name vinyls and I added my name to my planner and I'm so excited now. And I did a little bit of pre-planning. So one of the things that I did do that I didn't talk about, it had a piece of vinyl here in the front and I removed it. I just was not feeling it, if I'm being honest, and it's just, I don't know, it just looked kind of weird and it bothered me. So I just removed it. And on these pages, well, on this page at least, I'm planning on making a collage on Canva and just making a collage of everybody like in my life, like whether it be friends, family, my parents, Matthew, like my dog, whoever, and just people I love collage is what I'm gonna call it. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it on both sides, so this one and this one, but as of now I have it where I wrote down on a little sticky note that I want to have it on both sides, but we'll see how that works out. And then this I am going to keep just because it's sometimes helpful, but this is the page that I'm thinking that I'm debating on keeping or not. If I don't keep it, I'm going to just glue these pages together and kind of call it a day, and this is what I'll be flipping through or flipping to. But if I don't, I will be putting my goals combined with my Moxie life. So I'll have kind of my goals written out for the month on here just so I have a reminder on my catch-all. And then on here, on the once I flip to the month, I will have January monthly vision board, which I'm going to make on Canva. And then the monthly page is going to be my YouTube schedule. So this is where I'm going to put like if I'm going to do a vlog, let's say an example, like every Monday or whatever, you know. So this is where I'm going to do that. And then on here is going to be fitness / wellness trackers. And then this is going to be more of like reminders and things that I have to do, like appointments, birthdays or anything like that. And then the weekly section. And then I did add sticky notes to the next 3 months. And it's just the same thing. So February monthly vision board, YouTube schedule, over here I put fitness wellness. So I did the same thing for March. And then I wanted to show you all for the notes section back here. I'm thinking about gluing this together. I'm not sure just yet if that's what I want to do, but I did write back here, it's just like some of the things that I want to focus on 2023 and some of the things that happened in 2022. So for example, well, it's not an example, these are like the actual questions that I'm going to be answering in this page. The first one here is, what were your wins and challenges for the years? For the year, oh, I can't read. And what was the highlight of each month of the year? What did you start doing and stop doing this year? How did you take care of yourself? What kind of boundaries did you set? What was your mindset? And then for 2023, I am going to ask myself and answer, what will my daily routine look like this year? What do I want to do this year to feel fulfilled? What do I want to explore more of this year? How can I improve my mindset this year? What new things do I want to try this year? And what do I want to spend more time with this year? And then I want to write down 23 goals for 2023. Financial goals, I think that's what I'm going to dedicate that page for. And then YouTube subscriber number by month. So I'm going to write down every month on here and kind of keep track of it just so I can have like a visual of it. And then AdSense tracker. And then IG follower goal per month, or like a tracker per month. an IG Reels bonus because I do make a little bit from IG. And then this page, I'm thinking about removing this completely because I'm not going to use this. And then just gluing, kind of like having this the end, and then that's it. So that's kind of what I've come up with, and I don't know. Let me turn this around. Hold on. But anyways, that's kind of what I've come up with so far, and I just need to make time to write all those things down. I'm excited, if I'm being honest. I'm just really looking forward to this planner. I feel like I could honestly be like a one planner girly, which is kind of wild, but I do still have other areas in my life that I want to focus on that do need their own separate planners. I feel like that is really close to me. But anyways, that is what I did literally all yesterday evening. I don't know, I was just kind of hanging out, and then I felt like I just wanted to kind of get my life together. The one thing that I'm really procrastinating on doing is filling out this Moxie Life little journal. My friend gave this to me, but I really do want to try it out. Moxie Life is really, really pricey, but she did give me one of the quarters, so I figured I could try it out, and if it's something that works for me, I can even get like another planner, or maybe even get their printables, or find another way to incorporate it into my system. I just really want to, this year I really want to focus on my goals. Well, this upcoming year, I really want to focus on my goals and actually setting goals that are attainable for me. I feel like in the past, I'm always like, yeah, I'm going to do this, or I want to do that, or I want to, whatever it is, and I don't really achieve them, or I don't really focus on them, or set like little goals to actually achieve that big goal. So that's where I'm at with all of that. So I've been definitely dedicating more time to things like that lately, just kind of getting myself prepped and ready for the new year. But yeah, it's exciting. I can't wait for the new year. I'm excited because I feel like the new year always kind of, I know it's a little cliche and a little just maybe, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, to think of a new year as being like a new opportunity is like, that shouldn't be the mindset that I should be in. If anything, like every day is like that. But with the new year, it comes like just new opportunities. I feel like it's just like a fresh start, and you can actually like have those reflections and set any new goals or anything that you want to work at. So that's kind of how I'm seeing this upcoming year. And I think I've been definitely like, I would say a little desperate for change, because I feel like my mental health has been really wacky lately, and I haven't fallen to the point where I've needed to look for professional help outside of my like psychiatrist and therapist. But it gets hard, and I'm seeing this new year as like an opportunity to like get me back on track. So I don't know, I'm really excited, and like fresh new planners and like everything just really, really gets me excited. But anyways, I don't know what else to do. If I'm being honest, I just feel really like off. The only other thing that we're going to do later on is we're going to go to the grocery store to pick up groceries. We place an order, and then we are also needing to go to my parents. So we need to go to my parents to drop off some gifts that I had gotten for my parents that they need to like take to, it's a long story, but some gifts that I need to drop off, and that'll be it. And yeah, that is life. I feel like I've just been like chatting away, so this is going to be a chatty one, and I'm sorry again that it's not a vlog. But anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I think I really do need to rest. I think I need to just be by myself for a little bit. I don't know. Anyways, just goes to show everybody has those days. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that it was a little bit less exciting than other days, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.